Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off source service messages separately on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in a device. Then tap on More. Next, tap on Settings. After that, you can see the option of Chat Settings. Tap on it. Next, you can see the option of Source Service Messages separately. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn off Source Service Messages separately on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.